Ever dropped a stone into water and watched it sink? Well, a giant boat floats on the same water. Why does that happen? Is it about size, weight, magic? No, it's science. Let's dive into the fascinating world of floating. Over 2000 years ago, a brilliant Greek scientist named Archimedes discovered something while chilling in his bathtub. When he got in the water level rose, that's when he had his eureka!
When an object is placed in water, it pushes water away, and in return, water pushes it back. This upward push is called buoyant force. Now, if the upward force is greater than the object's weight, it floats. If not, it sinks.
This principle helps ships float even if they weigh thousands of tons. Submarines control how much water they take in to sink or rise. Even icebergs float because ice is less dense than water. So next time you swim, float a toy or sail a boat, remember you're using Archimedes secret because science is not just about facts. It is about asking why and making a splash.